I'm the Realtor, Eric Corder, with Mid-Ohio Valley Anchor Realty. You're gonna love my new listing at 1817 Liberty Street here in Parkersburg. On the outside, it has a level lot, a detached garage, and brand new siding. The property has alley access, and there's even a spacious backyard for whatever you can dream up. Let's look inside. As we step inside, you can see this place is fresh and new. There's no surface here that hasn't been touched. If you're looking for main floor living, this place has you covered. Both the primary ensuite and the laundry room are both on the first floor. And check out this kitchen. It's the heart of all homes, is it not? Everything you see here is new. As we go upstairs, you'll see plenty of space, 3 big bedrooms and a full bathroom, all tastefully redone. And while you may have heard this before, this time it's true. Don't wait, this one won't be here long.